Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got an unbagging to do today, and this has been sent to me from the good people at GBFKE.com. Yeah, I've been getting their products for a long time now. They were one of the first companies that I bought from as well. So yeah, and there is lots of new things coming out, and they have used a bag with bubble wrap in it. So instead of just the plain poly mailers now, we're getting padded poly mailers. Yay! And both of these items on my cursory look have come in boxes as well. Oh, hang on. Just quickly flip that one over. Don't want you getting sneaky peeks. Okay, so we have 2 boxes with 2 brand new items in. There's loads of new stuff coming out at the moment. It's wonderful. I'm just loving diamond painting so much and all the special projects. You know, I love my specials. So if you do go to GBFKE at the moment, there is a special offer on that if over £25 and 27 pence, you get a free gift. There is still the banner with the offer that if you buy 4, you get 1 free. So that's always good as well. And there are some bundle deals. If you click through on some of the special offers, it does say there's like a bundle deal of 5 pieces for £23.58 and 10 pieces for £45.40. So do go and check those out as well. Obviously, if you're watching this at a future date, do double check if the special offers are still on. So do go and check out their website. Yay! Okay, what shall we look at first? Oh my goodness me, I don't know where to go. Let's look at the smaller one first and we'll leave the bigger one till last. So we have a little box. It has got a sneak peek on the front, but I'm not going to let you see it. This is a brand new thing, a brand new concept that's just recently come out. Lots of different ones in it. And it's one of those things that I thought this could be quite useful. In fact, it could be very useful. So let's all the bits out. Okay, that's the box emptied. And I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Look. It's one of these perpetual calendars. So it goes on and on and on and on and on. And I've chosen the butterfly design. They do some Christmassy ones, which would be great for countdown to Christmas and things. But I thought this would possibly be quite handy for hubby, so that he knows what day it is. And he can turn it round every day. Yay! So we've pen, boat and wax, our standard toolkit with just a few little grip seal bags in there. We're all crystals and specials, and look, we've got a hot pink. Oh, it's a definite Liz one, this. It's got a lovely wooden stand there as well. All nicely shaped corners, rounded off corners. So that's very nice. Very smart looking, I always think, dark wood. Oh, and this is already put together. Now, here's me expecting that I'm going to have to put this together myself. But no, look. Oh, wow. Oh, that's really unexpected. But I'm very grateful. Because I do get a little bit muddled sometimes putting things together. So let's put today's date on. Now then. Right. I think it really needs to be upright to go around properly. Yeah, they do go around better if it's actually stood up. So, yeah. And I'm sure once you've been using it a while, it will possibly get easier to spin round. Possibly just run a tumble dry sheet or something just around the edges, or a little bit of soap or a little bit of wax just to make it run a little bit smoother. So Wednesday, September I think we're the 4th today. So that's the day that I'm making the video. So yeah, and you just literally turn it to whatever day you want it to be. There's no years on it, but you can still put your day on, which is always handy, because you tend to find that like perpetual calendars sometimes just have the date and the year or whatever. To have the actual date of the week. Do you know, my words just aren't coming out today. Nothing new there then was the cry. But I just thought these were a really good idea. They're a nice size as well. They're big enough to see your numbers, but it's not too in your face, so that all you can see when you sat down is looking at this calendar. And it's a really nice decoration, this one. We've got this gorgeous colourful butterfly here with all these flowers. And then once, as I say, it is diamond painted, I would suggest sealing it. Then it will just go in the little slot in the stand. Okay. And yeah, it just fits in nice and snugly. So isn't this good? So I'm just so pleased that it's already made. I think that's brilliant. So yeah, it just spins round. You can see it's spinning a bit more freely now. It's user error. Yeah, that just needs a little bit of encouragement at the moment, but I say I might just put run a little tiny bit of wax around just so that it just spins a bit smoother. But that is really good, and it's just so useful, and it's present if somebody works in an office or even works in a shop, you know, just to have up. If somebody says what day is it, you can change it each day, and you can put your date on so you know where you all are, how close you are to payday. Very important. But that is super. All right, yeah, I was expecting the little toolkit and everything and thinking, how are they going to get this to work? But no, it's all nicely enclosed in this dark wood. And I do think when you've got the darker wood, it does offset your colours a lot as well. So, yeah, so we've got up to from 1 to 31 days, 12 months of the year and 7 days of the week. Excellent. Oh, I'm very impressed with that. Really pleased that I've got that one, because that is really something very different. I'm just blown away by all the diamond painting stuff that's coming out at the moment. Let me give you a few quick measurements. So the actual size from the tip of the butterfly's wing there to the calendar, we'll tip it out so that it goes to its full extent there. So we're 20 centimetres 8 inch at the widest there, and from the base to the top again 20 centimetres 8 inches. So excellent. So yeah, a nice little size, and the footprint of your base is 5 inches 12.5 centimetres by 2.25 inches, 5 and a little bit, nearly 5.5 centimetres. I'm quite taken with that. I think that is really, really pretty as well. I said there are the Christmas ones, but I thought, no, I don't want Christmas up all year. And there's different designs and things. So I thought the butterfly would be really pretty. Oh, we've got a crystal escape, look. Da, da, da. Oh no, it just in a bag on its own. I thought we had a crystal making a break for freedom. Goodness me. That would be not very good, would it? So looks like we have 18 different gems and colours. That's a lot on just this little bit here to diamond paint. I think we can see where the big specials there go, number 18. Wow, but look at all these lovely shiny crystals, including the hot pink. We've got the very shiny sparkly clear crystal, a nice deep red there, a pale pink and a hot pink, and a darker hot pink, and a little bit of peach, and, not quite a lime green, a very pale lime green we'll call that, a yellowy gold, and an aqua blue, and a deep sea blue, and a very dark deep sea blue, and there's the lime green. We've got a lime green, and a little bit of like a turquoisey colour, and a nice bright green there, very fresh looking green, that one. And then some marquees in green with an iridescent coating. Some teardrops. Yep, they're teardrops in silver with an iridescent coating. Tell you I can't talk today. And some white pearls with an iridescent coating. Very nice. So where do the other specials go then? I think we can more or less see, can't we? But that is really... Oh, I could sit and play with that all day. Maybe hubby will. That'll be good. That'll keep him occupied. I've got a new hobby for you, dear. You can just sit and play with this. I'd probably get it thrown at me, in which case it's probably a good job it's wooden, because it'll be a bit more robust. So we've got the pale green are going to be going around the leaves around here. And... looks like that flower there as well, and then the little teardrops, the silvers, are going around the butterfly here, and the little white pearls are all around the wings of the butterfly. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to get this done. Again, we're coming up to Christmas, and there's birthdays and things in between, and anniversaries or whatever. Oh, housewarming. This would be a lovely housewarming present if somebody's moved into a new house. A perpetual calendar. Yay, great idea. Or if somebody's going away to student digs, they could take it with them so that, mind you, would students remember to change a calendar over? Maybe, maybe not. There's a lot more fun things happening at university and college, isn't there, than turning calendars over, I suppose. But yeah, it's really nicely finished off as well. This really nice quality. Very impressed. So let's get these gems put away and we'll have a look at the other one. Oh, and the price of this one is £9.89 at the moment, before any discounts or any special offers or anything. So really good price for under £10. Something good as well if you're wanting a Christmas present for somebody to make their own diamond painting calendar. It's always a useful item. I think most people use calendars at some time. I wouldn't be without my calendars, goodness, with all hubby's appointments and everything that we have. Okay, so that is item number 1. Thank you very much, GBFKE. Love that, brilliant. And item number 2 was actually the same price, £9.89. So go figure. Picked out 2 items at the same price. But very different. Similar shape, actually, but very different. So, oh wow, this is so stunning. Yay. Pen but wax, standard toolkit. All crystals and gems again. A little stand. And look at this. I've been on an owl hunt again. Oh, how proud does he look? That is stunning. I think that's like maybe an Indian eagle owl or something like that. Looks quite a smallish one, but he's got the little feathers going up there. So they look like ears. They're not ears, they are just feathers. It's just decoration. I was going to say, like a lot of men, the ears are just there for decoration, but don't come at me. Maybe just my husband then. I see a joke the other day where it said, when I got married, I didn't realise that husband's ears came separately. No offence to anybody, but yeah, that just really made me laugh. I think a lot of ladies, or even gentlemen, will know what I mean. So how stunning is that? Oh, what's that? Oh, just a bit of paper stuck on there. Let's just get rid of that. It's a wreath, but it's actually, it will go in a stand as well. All of the back of this is covered with, the back's covered with like an opaque cover, which is anti-scratch and anti-dust, and so is the stand as well. There's a cover on each side of this. If you just peel those off, that becomes completely clear as well. So one of your standard little oval shaped stands there. Standard stand. Does that make sense? I suppose it does. But yeah, there's quite a few different ones of these. But this one was the one that just really took my eye. I love owls. And I think a Christmas owl sat in a Christmas wreath is just so pretty. He is very proud. Do you think he's made this wreath himself? And he's saying, haha, look at my handiwork. Because he does look very proud just sat there. He's like, he's daring you to say that there's anything wrong with it. And you really wouldn't dare, would you? But yeah, he's got this lovely red bow at the bottom, and we've got some Christmas baubles around here and some pine cones and all the different leaves and all our holly berries and everything, and holly leaves there. So yeah, that is really quite something. Quite looking forward to doing this one. I probably won't use the stand. I've got even less surface area to put things out on now, so it's definitely most of my decorations this Christmas are going to be on walls, unless we can get hubby back upstairs. But at the moment, yeah, I've lost quite a few surfaces to put things on, so I am looking more for things that will go on the wall, and then I just need a lot of small wall space. Start putting them on the outside of the house as well. Okay, so this one is 9.5 inches, 24 centimetres that way, by, about 22 centimetres, about 8 3/4 inches that way. So yeah, still a nice little size, but I think it's going to look quite stunning when it's done. And because it is completely clear acrylic once you've taken this back off, all these berries and leaves here are going to look like they are just leaves floating. They're not going to look like they're fixed in place on a piece of acrylic. You know, it will be transparent around the edges, so it will look really quite something, quite stunning. Really pleased with this one as well. Oh, I'm really excited to get these done now. And I've got a couple of different seasons as well, so I just don't know what to start next. Right, let's have a look at the crystals. Okay. Ooh. So we have got some specials. I was thinking it was all just standards, but I'm thinking, well, these berries look a bit bigger. So yeah, we're starting off with, again, a lovely, a clear crystal. Look at that sparkle. A nice deepish green there. Very pretty. Oh, a lovely dark Christmassy red. Don't they just scream Christmas? They do to me. Your lovely greens and reds together. I'm a very traditional Christmas kind of gal. I like red, green and gold for Christmas. Although I have branched out quite a bit. I did have a blue corner last year. We've got a chestnutty colour there. We've got a honey gold and sort of a peachy gold there. In the special shapes, we have the semi-spheres in the red, which are going to be all our holly berries. Look at them all dotted round. Very nice, very effective. And then some marquees with an iridescent coating on in silver. And some faceted little gold rounds. So I think we can see where all of the little marquees are going to go in these like little starish shapes. So where do the gold ones go? Oh, on the stems of the baubles then. And yeah, just all. Oh, that one's got 3. Look, that one must have a bigger stem on it. These have only got 2. But that is really going to be something. These will just look like they're floating when it's on the wall, when you've just got, say, a plain background or something, because you won't see, as I say, the acrylic, unless you look really closely. Make sure everybody stands back when you're showing them. But yeah, that is really going to look great when it's done. Oh, can you tell I like Christmas? Huge thank you to GBFKE for sending me these fantastic new products. Just love them. Really looking forward to all the other new stuff that's coming out as well. We're only in September, so there's quite a few months to go yet. But with this, starting off with this and calendars and things as well. Keep coming back and see what else we get. Do go and check out GBFKE's website for those special offers and see if you can get those free products. We all like free. Okay, well, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me, as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see these completed, and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Lots special coming up. Okay, well, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.